If your feed mixer knives look worn out, you're wasting money. Let's fix that with Leo Agriculture's cutting-edge solution. Our vertical TMR feed mixer knives are designed with farmers in mind. The secret? A modular design that's easy on maintenance and big on performance. These knives feature a replaceable tungsten-coated blade edge attached to a flexible backer plate. This means you only replace the blade, not the whole knife, saving you time and money. The high-quality tungsten-coated edge ensures superior chopping and shredding, while the flexible backer absorbs impact, extending the knife's lifespan. Perfect for tackling those tough, frozen round bales. What makes it even better? The smaller, lighter blades are cost-effective and can be easily swapped between inner and outer positions. This maximizes their wear life and keeps your mixing efficiency high. Experience the perfect balance of flexibility and wear resistance. Upgrade to Leo Agriculture's TMR mixer knives today and see the difference for yourself.